Hi, welcome to the Cardano Native Token Data Portal project. This is a brief walkthrough how to use the project GitHub repository and website. So, as you land in our GitHub repository, you can see a link to the website here. And on this website, you get additional information like videos, like contact information, how to reach out and give feedback to the project. So this will become in the future a more interactive, non-technical place for people to see the distilled findings of the token analysis, trading strategies, and so on. In the repository itself, you have a README file to give an overview of the content. So all the different Markdown files are linked here, links to videos, and you can get the first token data here and all the 12 native tokens that will ultimately be published in the first phase of the project will be under tokens. Then case studies will be in the case study folder. So there is a first IPython notebook for World Mobile Token. And there will be information about the API. So this is supporting files, and then the API will also in the future have installation information. At the moment we are just discussing the tech stack here, the choices that we made, and how we want to prioritize open source and ease of use, because it should be really lightweight for people just to get the data for their backtesting packages and so on. And then you can also see here the reasons how we chose the 10 tokens and the 2 additional voluntary tokens that we will publish in the first phase of this project. And right now, as I said, only World Mobile Token is there as it's still early stages. And all the rationale can be read through here. And more information about the utility and stack choices that we made, useful links, how people can catch up with how to use Python for asset analysis and risk management, and so on. And if you go to the website, you can there get in touch with the project and reach out, and it will evolve into something a lot more interactive in the future. Thanks very much and enjoy.